we're back from the dead.
What's going on YouTube? Got a DC Audio level 3 Model 1 version. It used to be a 12-inch. Now I've converted this into an 18 with a level 4 upgrade kit. And I got an SPL neck option. What's going on straight from DC Audio. That's where they take the voice coil, they fold it over, and they help glue it in, and then they bury the tensile leads inside of the SPL neck option they do. And then this is the normal roll surrounds that I ordered. Talked to Justin on the phone. Justin seems to be a pretty cool guy so far. And then with the new basket from DC, it came with push terminals already installed on here, and they gave me new hardware as well. And I'll show you guys some pictures of what the voice coil looked like. One of the bolts on here was stripped out. I had to strip it out, or I had to tap it, and then the hole was too big. I decided to kind of rubber nut that for now. Put some CA glue to fill the hole. But this is an original Model 1 from probably 2010 to 2012. Level 3 with the aluminum dual tube level 4 coil in it. So the only thing I have left, guys, is to install an intercap on here. That way this thing doesn't get blown off if you only do minimal glue. If I do the right amount of glue to make this to where it's not going to come off, the glue likes to tend to bead out and look shitty on the cone. It's my only gripe about DC Audio versus Sundown is Sundown's cone, or the dust cap lip, is a lot bigger. So you can put more glue on that, and then it doesn't have any issues with the glue squirting out on the edge. So when I get home, we'll do a intercap that fits inside here, and then we'll do the rubber glue on the outside. I'm also going to add a little bit more weight to this too, to hopefully achieve a lower FS when I build a box for this thing. So, anyways, we'll be making a part 2 video soon. Hopefully I can get a box built in a few weeks for this guy, and figure out what kind of amplifier I'll run. So, later. Yes.
Every once in a while they don't, and it's a real fast trip to the weeds. Checks. Checks. Come on. Shimmy the bitch.
Oh, it sure is. Sitting too long.
It's a good thing meat's not flying.
That's right. He won. PR.